Hey guys, we are making Pudsey Bear T-shirts today, yay! This is going to be an exciting one. So masking tape at the ready, you know I love my masking tape by now. It's just fantastic, you can do so many fab things with it and the colour inside is amazing. You can do lots of colouring in with that too. So layer it on your old T-shirt if you've got one knocking around and just, yeah, pop it on like that. The little ripped parts here are going to be for the dots that we're going to do. So just apply that on, put it in straight lines like that, that's for the face, and then the back we put a few bits like that just for the spots. So with the pencil, just do a light little sketch of the head and just keep it nice and simple. 2 round ears, a rounded head with slight curves for the Pudsey face. And then don't worry if you don't get it exact, you can also get a stencil online of this as well, but have a little move around. I've had to fidget around there just with the features because my nose was a little bit higher, but just put in the detail as much as you can, but don't over stress. Then go around the whole thing in a fine liner or a marker pen or a felt tip pen, whatever you like. And then I've just gone in over the detail of that pencil, and the masking tape is unbelievable, it works really well with this. Then I've got a bottle top just off a bottle of pop, and I'm going to use that as a stencil there just to go around and do all my spots, just so they're all the same sizes and it's nice and clear. You can just see exactly what it's about and what it's for. So go around over the masking tape and just go around with all to do all your spots there with your bottle top. And then after that we're going to come to some cutting. So if you just pull off the masking tape slightly and you can start cutting around. You can keep it on or you can pull the tape off completely and you can cut around that shape and then stick it back on in a different place if you need to. And what's quite good about this as well is with the T-shirt, even if you want to use the T-shirt again for something else, you can just rip off the masking tape and you've still got your T-shirt. So the masking tape again is very good for this. Then start doing your detail with your black felt tip or marker or pen or whatever colour you've got there, and do all the black details. So with the eyes and leave a little space for the little white dot in the eye and the mouth and the nose. And then I've just started using yellow marker pens going around. I use Kaiser Craft pens, but this is just a batch I got from TK Maxx, to be fair. I didn't get anything fancy in the sale. So definitely shop around. You don't need to get them from fancy craft shops, hobby craft shops, etc. You can get some things from like TK Maxx or TJ Maxx, depending on where you are in the world. So there we are, all coloured in with the pens. And then I've got these Posca pens. They are amazing just because you can any with stones, plastic, whatever it is, you can write with these. They're fantastic. So just to really make it pop, I've gone over in the same colours but with these pens on top. So with the white bandana there, just going over in the white, as you can see, it just really makes it stand out, and you almost can't even see the masking tape after that. Then we're going to do the same with the other colours, with the yellow and the spots, and we're going to go around in that same pattern too. And it's really easy to do. You just literally go around and colour it in. And we've coloured our bear in, and just to make it a bit more interesting, I'm using this T-shirt for my boy. So he's gonna on Friday go in to school. They've got dress down day non-uniform, so this is for Caleb. So yeah, you can do the same with your kids, and yeah, you can buy one as well. There's nothing wrong with that because it is given to Children in Need charity as well. So make sure you do give some pennies, that would be really great. I also have a fundraising link over in my Instagram as well, and there we have it. If you want to make your own, that is how you do it. So it is just with masking tape, and just use them as the spots, and if you want to, you can peel all that off and you've still got your T-shirt underneath. So come and join us over at our crafts. Take care.